Today we are unboxing these classic, most popular studio Sony headphones, MDR 7506. Here you can see the box. And let's open it up. Let's open the box up. Oh, this is like a service manual. Interesting service manual. Inside it's nothing, so let's put that aside and let's take out this box. Okay, and there you can see it opens up like this. There we go. And these are the headphones. Now, let's move on and take these headphones out of the box. The headphones, there you can see the bag, the Sony logo. The bag opens up. You can put this together like that. Put that aside. Here you can see this cord, Sony headphones, and nothing inside the box. So here you can see the attached cable. I can move it. This plastic. Take out the cord. 3.5mm jack. And 6.8 millimeter. So you can plug this in, scroll on. There you go. And that's actually all. Here we go. And here are the headphones. Side, soft material, very soft, and this is studio monitor, soft leather. This is, the blue one is left here, that with the cord on the left side, and the red one we see there are for right here, so we can pull them out and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's maximum. And we can pull it back inside. Here you go. They're stretching nicely. Put them like that. And these are very compact headphones. So there you go. These are the Sony headphones with the Sony fabric bag. And if you liked this video, subscribe to this channel and my Instagram profile @takeyouthrough as well. Take care and let's meet in the next episode of Tech You Through.